I recently came across a mod for the PSP Go that lets you connect this adapter to the PSP Go memory slot and use a regular micro SD card with it. What's really cool is you can now upgrade the memory on the PSP Go by just taking it apart real quick and then setting up this adapter inside the system. I'm going to be installing it with a 64GB memory card that I have already been using for UMD movies that I ripped to ISO files. As you know, the PSP Go used a special memory format called M2 that goes for insanely high prices, so rather than shelling out the money for that, I opted for this adapter that I found on eBay. You can also get it on Etsy if that's your choice retailer, but it goes anywhere from $15 to $20. The install was super quick, and it just requires you to remove the 6 screws that hold the back cover in place. There is one thing with this mod that some may not like, which I will get to towards the end of the video. Once removed, you just need to open the slot where the memory card goes, and you can insert the adapter there. You will be folding the cable on this so that it sits right in the back of the PSP Go. You want to make sure you hear that small clicking sound. This ensures that the memory card was inserted properly. Then you just insert the micro SD card, and then once you've folded the cable, you can then use some of the tape that came with the adapter to secure it in place. It came with 2 pieces, so you have one for the ribbon cable area and one for the memory card area as well. After you've done this, you just pop the back cover back on and screw it back together, and then you can boot up your system. Since I have already used this memory card with another PSP system, it did not prompt me to format it as soon as the system turned on. If you're using a brand new memory card, then yes, it will tell you to format the memory stick. If for some reason it doesn't, you can actually head over to the settings and you can go ahead and format the memory card as shown on this clip here. But since there's no need to format, I went ahead and just got out of it from here, and then we can go ahead and make sure that the memory card is actually being read. At first it didn't appear like it was being read, but I went ahead and clicked on the select button and it went ahead and showed the UMD movies that I have on the memory stick. So that let me know that it was a success. So I just went through, looked for a random movie to put on, and I don't know why it took me so long to figure which one to put, just to test it, but let's go ahead and do Corpse Bride. Press X and a system will reboot to show that it's doing a UMD movie, which I have another video that actually shows that you can do this, which is really neat. So after a few seconds here, the system finally detects the memory stick, and I assume the bigger the memory stick you're going to use, the longer some load times may take when you're initially trying to view your list of games or such. But as I was waiting, I went ahead and checked, and there you go, a memory stick shows 33 gigabytes. Now this is a 64GB card, but because I've already stored a bunch of movies on it, that's why some of the space has already been taken up. But I will definitely be loading some more games on here, as that was the main reason why I wanted to upgrade it. But the last thing I wanted to show you guys that I mentioned about earlier was there's a slight little bulge that shows up on the back, and this is due to the memory card. I've seen other people shave off a little bit of the inside of the back cover in order to get it to fit. It's not something I really wanted to do on mine, so I kind of left it as is. Here's the company that I bought it from on eBay if you guys want to check them out and get one yourself. But that's going to do it for this video. Hope you like it. Have a great day.